Back. Oh, wait, stay. Down. Set. Hut. Pull it down. This is gonna be easy. Down. Wait, no, not down. Still pull it
Almost
down.
close. Watch
Down.
out.
Sit. Hut. Still pull. Down. Sit. Hut. Touchdown.
Touchdown!
2.5.
Go, go, go.
Ready? Down. Sit. Hut.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. 3. Touchdown. Woo. Tell me say it. I already got a touchdown.
Right here.
Down. Sit. Hut. You okay?
Don't hang me by the neck.
I didn't. I grabbed you by the stomach and then.
You're not supposed. No, you choked me.
Well, sorry.
That's cheating. And it's also kind of not holding.
You could get disqualified.
Okay. Wait. We're gonna let the boys take a break, and it's gonna have a commercial. Commercial time. Come have a yummy eat.
I did it.
At Batch Babies. Batch Babies is the most wonderful place of all. Why would you not want to go here? Batch Babies, they have cupcakes.